On the C65, looking for 700 feet. That's that yellow and black rocket, fan 3. Ready, Connor? Going in 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, that was cool. It's way up there.
Shoots out.
Shoots out.
Oh, we'll be able to catch it. Oh, it's way up there.
It's up there. Yeah, the wind is blowing a little bit. It'll land out in front of us.
Ours can go 700 feet.
That wasn't very far. I don't see it.
His was farther than yours.
Guys, it's over here.
I see it.
It's right here. Straight up. I'm gonna catch it.
Yep. No. You're heading out there toward high power.
Straight up. Right here.
Right there, Connor.
Connor, straight up.
No, I saw it. It's gonna be right behind our rocket. Oh, I see the wadding.
It's gonna land on somebody else's rocket.
Nice.
Right in front of pad 4.